Hi guys, my name is Kai of Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download the VLC media player on Windows. So a lot of people like to choose VLC media player because it's a free open source platform that is usually quicker than Windows media player, and it can also play a lot of video files including Mac files, and you can also stream on there as well. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is type in VLC media player, and it should be the link at the top. There'll also be a link in the description to this website as well in case you struggle finding it. To download it, you want to click on download VLC, or you can click on the correct platform here, so in this case I'm on Windows, and then you want to click on download VLC. You can also donate to them as well. That's going to pop up with a file location, so I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it should take a few seconds to around 30 seconds to download, depends on your internet speed. Once the program is fully downloaded, you just then want to go ahead and open it up, and it will ask you for permission. So when the pop-up comes up, you just want to click yes, and then we're just going to run through the installer. So going to click OK, you want to click next again, click next again, and then here you want to choose where you want to install the file to. So you can click browse if you want to custom installation, but I'm just going to install it to the default program, the default location. So I'm just going to click install. Now this should take anywhere between a couple seconds again and up to a minute or two, depends on the speed of your computer and your hard drive, so just let it complete. And once it's completed, you can then check this box to run VLC media player, and then we're going to click finish. Now because of the new personal data rules, it is going to come up with a privacy notice here, and it's going to ask you for permission to use these two things. So I'm just going to click continue and leave them ticked for the best experience. And as you can see, VLC media player is fully downloaded and working. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more useful videos like this, and thank you for watching.